ERP, CRM. So many letters. No wonder people often mix them up. Have a seat. Today, we'll tell you about these two systems and make them clear for you. Watch till the end. This is a channel by Jelvix. We help top brands worldwide to innovate and accelerate digital transformation. We post weekly videos on tech in 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe. So, why do people use ERP and CRM? And what's it all about? In every business, information plays a key role. You try to know more about your customers, employees, inventory in the warehouse, and so on. But at one moment, this information can become too much, and there's a need for systemization. That's where ERP and CRM come to the rescue of your company. In brief, these two acronyms stand for software that stores certain information and helps analyze it. Now, let's go through what CRM is and what its functions are. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and its primary function is to help your employees communicate more effectively with customers. In practical terms, companies use a CRM system to store customer information, such as purchase history, preferences, and contact details. Then you can operate it any way you want to. For example, do personalized marketing, or organize your sales activities, and more. Let's see how real companies find CRM beneficial. For instance, the Wells Fargo Bank. Notice that CRM system enabled them to save more than 5 million hours of extra work, increase efficiency of entire departments by 20%, and reduce end-user service time by nearly 50%. Those are some amazing numbers, don't you agree? So we asked Jelvix developers to tell us which CRM systems are in the highest demand right now. Ready to listen? Let's go. A good solution for B2B sales would be the Salesflare platform. Its functionality is great for creating lots of contacts for further interaction via, for example, email and customer tracking in your sales funnel. For small companies, there's a great solution, EngageBay. It has a straightforward interface and a relatively low price, which allows you to train your team quickly. And finally, Salesforce. This is a comprehensive CRM platform provided with all the necessary functionality. Its main advantage is the focus on team collaboration and using additional AI tools. Now it's time to move on to ERP. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It's responsible for systemizing and keeping track of all the company's resources. And we really mean all resources. Finances, ledgers, debts, orders, warehouse balances, and supply chains. If we list all the functionality, one video is not enough. According to our colleagues from Jelvix, we've compiled a list of 4 key benefits that a company that implements an ER system will get. Cost savings. Instead of having to enter information for every department in your company, you only have to enter it once, which will save a lot of time and money. Better scheduling. Get details on projects and tasks in real time so you can accurately allocate your ideal number of employees, tools, and other resources. It increases productivity. Streamline and automate non-essential tasks such as bank reconciliations, fund balancing, and more, so you can reassess your priorities and improve your company's efficiency. It improves collaboration across departments, combines CRM, HR, accounting, marketing automation, manufacturing, and other departments in one place. Now, statistics from netsuite.com prove the effectiveness of ERP systems. According to them, 95% of respondents felt the positive impact of implementing the software. Think about it. Before we finish, let's decide which ERP platforms we can recommend. In fact, many of them have similar functionality and differ only in details. For example, Oracle ERP Cloud implements multiple AI tools that help you solve everyday tasks faster. Acumatica integrates well with standard Microsoft Office tools, and it has a relatively low price tag. And finally, NetSuite ERP scales well and is suitable for fast-growing companies. So, as you might have realized, both ERP and CRM will eventually be needed by any company. And if you want to keep researching how to enhance your business, watch our video on backing up your business data. It's full of great tips. Also, support us by liking this video and leaving a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Bye for now.